Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. I'm Rosina. I'm an Avon representative. Today I want to talk about Belif in miracles. So before we do that, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. If you're looking to earn an extra income, Avon has a great opportunity for you to sign up for free right now. It's a limited time promotion, so be sure to check out my website again and click on become a representative to get your business started. I'm also on social media. All my handles will be down below. You'll see them. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook as well, in addition to being on YouTube. So you can connect with me in all different ways, okay? So let's get back to it. So today we're gonna talk about Belif in miracles. So what do I mean about that? So here are some Belif products that I actually wanna talk about today, all right? This is the cover of campaign 26, all right? So I'm gonna open two products that I recently just got, okay? So the first product I'm gonna talk about is, all right, here, let me open it up here. This is the packaging that it comes in, all right, so you can see it, what it looks like, okay? So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Aqua Bomb. So there are two different types of products Avon have. They have the moisturizing balm and the Aqua Bomb. Now, what's the difference between the two? So now this product is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So this is what it looks like. All right, here we go. All right, let me bring it just a little bit up close. Hopefully you can see that without the glare. I know the glare is kind of in the way sometimes, but just bear with me, okay? We will be posting links down below for these products, so you can check them out and see them in person and check out all the ingredients. And if you have any questions, you could just go on my website and you can check it out. And here's the other product as well, okay? So the True Cream Aqua Bomb, what does that do? So that has 70% increase in hydration, okay? It's for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. The ultra light water-based refreshing gel cream bursts upon application to instantly cool skin and release a flood of weightless moisture. Sounds pretty cool. I just got this, so I haven't tried it personally, but I'm looking forward to trying it. Okay, it helps visibly improve skin elasticity. So for all you ladies who are looking to improve the elasticity of your skin, this is the right product for you. Skin looks healthy, smooth, and supple, suitable for sensitive skin. Okay, so I know a lot of people have sensitive skin, so it's definitely suited for people who have sensitive skin. Now this one is actually 0.84 ounce, so it's a try it size. Okay, it's a small size, it's a try it size. Okay, so they come in two different sizes. The try it size regular price is $24, but you can find it on sale for $22 right now. And the full size is a little bit bigger than this. It's 1.68 ounce. Okay, regular size for that one is $42 generally, and it's actually on sale right now for $38. All right, so I went over the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So now what is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm? So the True Cream Moisturizing Balm gives you 26 hours of intense hydration for dryness, loss of elasticity, and firmness. A lightweight yet indulgent cream with a comforting, cushiony, whipped texture. Envelopes skin with intense, long-lasting moisture. Skin looks and feels smooth, okay, which most people love. Supple and deeply nourished, also suitable for sensitive skin. So you can find these products on my website, okay? Avon also has other products with the Belif collection. They have the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. 97% of women felt it was gentle while cleansing. And when you use the whole collection together, it works really, really great and is more effective. And they also have an moisturizing eye balm, 26 hours of moisture around the eye area. So you can use the whole entire collection together for a more effective result. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some things real quick in the brochure right here. So you can get a couple of cute little gift products here. All right, so Avon is offering some gift sets right now that you can get on my website. All right, here's one. It's a gift set, so it's boxed and ready to go, ready to give gift. You do not need to, you know, wrap it with wrapping paper and stuff. It comes in a really cute little box. It comes with a set of 3 products in there. So it comes with, one of them comes with the moisturizing balm, moisturizing eye balm, and then Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser. And the other one is the Aqua Miracle Collection. It's the True Aqua Balm, the True Cream Aqua Balm, the Eye Balm, and then the Jelly Cleanser as well. So here are the 3-piece sets, as you can see it right here. All right, so here are the 2 sets. You can find that at AzraBeautyHub.com. So these are great little gift sets to give someone for the holidays. They are a 3-piece box set, all right? So they're $38 each. Now this one is really super cute. For those of you who may not want to spend $38, you're a little bit more on a budget. Everyone's budget is different. You might not want to spend that much. You want to spend a little bit less, but you really like these products and you can think of somebody to give it to. Here's a really cute idea that I actually am going to purchase for myself because they come in these cute little travel size products. So here is a gift to go. Another idea for a gift to go product. Okay, it comes in a cute little pouch. It's a holiday edition kit. All right, so it's a Belif holiday travel kit. It's 4 must-have favorites. So it's a $20 price on it, but it's a $25 value. All right, it makes a great holiday gift and great holiday travel companion. It's a 4-piece kit. 4-piece kit. It has the 33 ounce, they're little ones, the tiny ones, the travel size ones, the True Cream Aqua Balm, 33 ounces, 0.3 ounces, I'm sorry, 0.3 ounces, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, 0.33 ounces, the Moisturizing Eye Balm, 0.16 ounces, and the Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser, 1.01 ounce. They're TSA friendly, vinyl case, approximately 5 inches wide by 2 inches diameter and 5 inches height, with ring, pull, zipper, and wrist handle. So how cute is this to kind of give as a gift? It could be a stocking stuffer, it could be a gift, however you want to do it. If anybody's having a secret Santa and they're amongst their family, friends, or if you're mailing the gift, or you can get it on my website and you can have it shipped directly to them. With everything going on out there, social distance is very important, of course, so you can purchase these products on my website and have it shipped directly to them. Again, you can find it at AzraBeautyHub.com. So these Belif products are great products for you to check out. I know other retailers are selling it. Avon brought these Belif products to us as well. I'm looking forward to trying them. Once I do, I will come back with a review and let you know. I'm always really excited to share new products. I'm always excited to share gift ideas. I'm always excited to share things I try that I like, love, and don't like. So whatever I talk about, just always remember it's my personal opinion of what I think about it, how I feel about it. Your opinion might be different. I always say, try it. If you don't try it, you're not going to know whether you like it or not. Avon has a money back guarantee, so you could always return the products if you do not like it. All right, so Avon really stands by, the return policy. You have a 45-day return policy. If you're not satisfied, you can return any item, okay? Avon has a lot of try-it sizes too, so if you're absolutely not sure, just purchase the try-it sizes, see how you like it. You can't go wrong. They're pretty reasonable, and all the products that Avon has are pretty reasonable. You can always find things on sale. I know when the sale goes on, I personally stock up on things that I really, really like, because the sales come every now and then, but just keep that in mind. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, leave a review if you'd like. Again, you can find me on all the different social media platforms. This channel, particularly AzraBeautyHub.com, I'll talk about different things. Let me know what you think about the videos that I'm posting and so on and so forth. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like, okay? Until next time, keep smiling and have a great day.